Welcome to today's video. Ever wonder how everyday items, like the things you clean with or the materials that heat your buildings, get to your door safely? We've got the answers for you. Let's talk about hazardous materials. If not handled properly, those substances can cause leaks, spills, and even explosions. These materials are used every day in businesses and industries. From cleaning agents to raw manufacturing goods, they're everywhere. But here's the deal. These materials can be dangerous. If mishandled, they can cause serious injuries, damage property, or even harm the environment. And let's not forget about the terrifying possibility of these materials falling into the wrong hands. Yep, terrorists could potentially use them to create havoc. No matter how you're shipping, by road, rail, pipeline, sea, or air, the aim is to safely get them to their destinations. The transportation of hazardous materials involves many steps and people. First, someone places an order. Then, warehousing picks and packs the product. Shipping sends it out. Once it arrives at its destination, it's unloaded and stored until needed. To keep everyone safe, the U.S. Department of Transportation has laid out strict rules. These are called the Hazardous Materials Regulations, or HMR. You'll find them in 49 CFR parts, 100 through 185 if you're curious. Training is a big part of these regulations. The DoD has defined 5 different types of training just for HAZMAT employees. This training increases awareness of potential dangers, shows how to handle materials safely, and enhances security during transport. This video is brought to you by FMCSA Registration.com, the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry. We assist motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Please call 866-477-0707 or visit us at fmcsaregistration.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful tips. Remember, we have lots of videos explaining all kinds of things, so subscribe or watch other videos on our channels. There are over 500 of them. Thank you for watching.